What's up, guys? It's Bird. Tonight I'm gonna try to diagnose what is going on with the back of my Jeep. Since before I even took it in to get the aux locker and everything else installed on the rear end, it's been making this weird sort of sound, and tonight I'm gonna try to figure out what it is. I had the shop that installed the aux locker look at it, and they seem to think that it was the brakes, but I don't know. So tonight I'm gonna try to get down to the bottom of it. Let's see what happens. I should note, for the install, I had the gears replaced with Revolution 513s, the aux locker put in, and Adams drive shaft, and I had Yukon chromoly axles installed. So in theory, all seals, all bearings, everything should be brand new, for what it's worth. All right, I don't know how well it picks up on the camera, but that's the sound. So let's see if we can figure it out. Okay, this is no wheels on either side. And still sounds terrible. Still sounds terrible. Terrible no matter which way you look at it. Took the rotor off, still making a noise. Maybe it's just driveline. So loud though. So just for curiosity's sake, I did the same thing with my buddy's Jeep. Got his lifted up. He's got the same exact gears, 513s, Revolution, same brand, everything, in a Dana 44. It's just on a JK, no sound. So in the end, neither one of us can figure it out. Sounds like it's coming from the driveline. There was a little bit of kind of a sound going on the passenger side, and we took a crowbar and bent the heat shield away, and that went away. It's still got the same sort of sound, so I don't know. It's not the brake though, that's for sure. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts or ideas as to what this is, or even if maybe this is normal, maybe I'm just being paranoid, I don't know. But if you have any ideas or thoughts, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.